Right now in the country we have 1,73,740 active cases. Our recovery rate is almost touching 97% today morning. To be precise, it is 96.93%. And our fatality rate continues to be the lowest in the whole world, so almost 1.44%. Last 24 hours, we had 11,660 cases in the whole country. If I have to give you a picture of the districts, 147 districts in the whole country, they haven't seen a case of COVID in the last 7 days. 18 have not seen a case in last 14 days. 6 have not seen a case in last 21 days. And 21 districts have not seen a case in last 28 days. Just to update you about the percentage of patients who actually are requiring a oxygen or a ICU or a ventilatory support even today. So the number continues to be 0.46% of the patients are requiring a ventilator, 2.20% are requiring an ICU, and 3.02% are requiring oxygen. We all know that we were privileged to have been given 2 indigenous vaccines by our scientists, and they are already being given to our people in the country. And right now, to begin with, starting with health workers and then of course the frontline workers. So till today morning, in fact till tomorrow, yesterday evening, we have completed 42,674 sessions of vaccination all over the country, and the total beneficiaries who received vaccination till now is 23,55,979, out of which in the last 24 hours we have had 3,26,499 health workers receiving vaccination in the whole country. For the wards of these COVID warriors who died during this pandemic in India, you know, we have a special category where the various ministries, to very specific people who have served the country in some extraordinary ways, we give them a bit of a reservation of seats in the medical colleges. This year we started this activity for the wards of the COVID warriors, and we could admit 6 medical students this year whose parents had lost their lives as doctors or maybe a health worker while being in service for the COVID patients in the hospitals.